Hello there, I'm Tegustu Zariun. This is my channel, Tegustu Zariun. Just motivate me, support me by subscribing my channel. I'll continue today's lesson with the last point on my last lesson. I have taught already components of information system. Today I will continue human resource information system as one type of information system. In the following session, we will discuss the human resource information system. We have variety of information systems like transaction processing system, management information system, executive support, decision making support system, and the executive support system. But in this textbook, we'll see one of the major type of information system, which is human resource information system. This is a type of information system. It is an example of information system implemented in an organization. Human resource information is a type of information system. It has a database. What the need for database or what the purpose of a database? It stores data of employees. As an implies human resource information system. Therefore, mostly the data type is the human or employees data is stored in a database. The kind of data kept in database typically human resource include requirement data. Every system have components, data, information, hardware, software, people, and procedure are the components of information system. Like that, human resource information system have components. The first component, data. Therefore, what type of data is used in human resource information system? First is recruitment data, such as applicants or curriculum vitae and the number of candidates data. The other demographic data like employee ID, name, date of birth, gender, position, residence, cost. The data type is demographic data. The other data type, performance management data, like performance record of employees. It refers to the feedback, rating, and achievement of employees. Their efficiency is considered as performance management data for employees. The other data, learning management data, like training and development. When they want to improve their levels, they are using a data. This data is a learning management, considered as a learning management data. The other data type is compensation and benefit data like employee salary structure and other benefits for a particular human resource. Parallelly, there are hardwares in this information systems. Parallelly, keeping as it is the data, we must have hardwares. Human resource information uses different technology to store the process data into useful information. How these data are stored using variety of hardware devices and parallel with software. Server computers are used in human resource information system to work or to collaborate together. They must have a server computer that gives access to all workers there, desktop computer, laptop, and network to interconnect different departments and branches are among the infrastructure such as in human resource information. Employees use the available computer to access data and generate information from the database. Here, what about the software used by human resource information system? We have said that the first data is requirement data. To store the requirement data, there is a requirement software. This software is used to automate the position of job offering as well as sorting of incoming applications. There is a curriculum vitae or CV data for employees or job seekers. They will have an information on web server from that human resource information system or for that particular organization. This software is used to automate what the need of recruitment software to it helps to post job offering as well as sorting of incoming application. There is a posting from the particular organization against the job seekers CV data stored under recruitment software. The software can post and organize job needs on a variety of websites. Applicants can also submit resume without meeting with anyone in person. They can submit their CVs. Time and attendance software. It helps to store time and attendance data. It is used to track employees' attendance. The software helps the organization save money. Employees are paid based on hours they work. Whether they are controlled by biometric using fingerprint or other techniques, the data or data attendance is stored under the software time and attendance software. The other software, performance management software, it is used to manage performance of appraisal data. It helps organize to make evidence-based decisions. They promote, transfer, or terminate one employee. Their performance, their feedbacks, their efficiencies, data are stored under performance management software. The other software, when they want to increase their levels, the training and development software is used by employees. They train themselves in interactive way using video or text in web-based forms. This software is used to manage training programs for employees. It also used to automate training for online daily. Nowadays, information systems are no more considered only as a means of generating information for managerial decisions. Their role for the computative power of organization has become that they are considered as strategic. In general, here what you have learned, human resource information system as one of information system type compare with traditional working systems. The today's 21st century working systems are better or the best ones in saving manpower, in saving time and material. That we have to use the digital systems in any of organizations. For today is enough. Thanks a lot. Just motivate me and support me by subscribing my channel.